Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we'll be featuring the Clek Fllo Convertible car seat, which can seat children between 14 to 65 pounds. Let's get started. Right off the bat, you'll notice the Flo's modern design and high-quality fabrics to suit stylish parents' lifestyles. The fabrics are naturally flame retardant without any added chemicals. Its adjustable headrest is energy absorbing and lined with EPP foam. It's connected to the frame using steel rods to provide maximum head protection in case of a side impact collision. Because it is less than 17 inches wide, it can fit 3 across in most vehicles or leave room for other passengers. The adjustable crotch strap and 6 different harness heights fit a wide range of sizes and ages of children. Now let's go over installation processes. We'll start with rear-facing mode, which is for children who are between 14 and 50 pounds and 25 to 43 inches tall. Begin by placing the Flo on its back and rotate the reclined foot forward until it locks into place. Then place the Flo upright into the vehicle seat. Remove the crotch strap cushion and seat pad by unfastening the black tabs on the front edge of the car seat. Set these aside. Open up the blue lock-offs. Disconnect the lower connectors from their storage compartment. Use the gray button on the adjuster to lengthen the strap as needed. Insert the connectors through the openings in either side of the Flo, making sure nothing gets twisted, and then attach them to their respective lower anchors. Push down on the car seat with one hand and pull out the slack in the latch strap with the other. Close both of the blue lock-offs over the strap. At this point, double check that the Flo's recline is correct based on the weight of your child. Check your installation, making sure the Flo doesn't move more than 1 inch in any direction. Reattach the seat pad, making sure to thread the crotch buckle through its opening. If you prefer to install using the vehicle seatbelt instead, begin by removing the seat pad and setting it aside. Open up the blue lock-offs, pull the seatbelt down and thread it through those same rear-facing belt path openings. Buckle the seatbelt. Push down on the car seat with one hand and pull out the slack in the shoulder belt with the other. Close the blue lock-offs over the strap and check your installation. At this point, double check that the Flo's recline is correct based on the weight of your child. Reattach the seat pad, making sure to thread the crotch buckle through its opening. Now we're going to review the forward-facing installation methods. This is for children who are between 22 to 65 pounds and 30 to 49 inches tall. That being said, we do recommend keeping your child rear-facing for as long as possible. To start, you'll also need to adjust the crotch strap position to the outer position and the longer length. Remove the seat pad and push the edge of the webbing into the adjustment slot and slide it forward and out. Now slide the lower plate into the opening and rotate it so the webbing is parallel. Reattach the seat pad. Now rest the Flo on its back and flip the reclined foot back to forward-facing mode until it locks. Remove the tether hook from its storage location on the back of the seat, lengthen the strap and attach it loosely to the tether location in your vehicle. To use the latch method, place the Flo in forward-facing mode on the vehicle seat. Remove the crotch strap cushion and seat pad and set them aside. Disconnect the lower connectors from their storage compartment and thread them out through the side belt path, closest to where it's connected to the seat. Reattach the seat pad, making sure to thread the crotch buckle through its correct opening. Insert one of the connectors through the back of the Flo, making sure nothing gets twisted. The strap should be routed between the red forward-facing belt guides. Attach each connector to its respective lower anchor. Push down on the car seat with one hand and pull out the slack in the latch strap with the other. Tighten the rear tether and check your installation, making sure the Flo doesn't move more than 1 inch in any direction. To use the vehicle seatbelt to install instead, you'll begin by following some of the same steps. Remove the tether hook from its storage location on the back of the seat and lengthen the strap as needed. Attach it to the tether location in your vehicle loosely. Now open the red belt lock-off on the same side as the vehicle's shoulder belt. Route the seatbelt through the forward-facing belt path by following the red guides. Make sure nothing is twisted and buckle the seatbelt. Pull the shoulder belt tight to remove the slack, and then, while holding the tension, close the red lock-off over the shoulder strap. Tighten the rear tether and then check your installation. Overall, we love the Clek Fllo Convertible car seat because you can fit 3 across and it's a sturdy and very safe car seat. Thanks for watching. To shop this car seat or other Clek Convertible car seats, go to babycubby.com. We offer free shipping over $25. To learn more about the Clek Fllo car seat, click here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know what content you'd like to see next. We'll see you next time.